So you might be asking yourself, why is my garage door beeping like this? It beeps about every 30 seconds to a minute or so. Well, come to find out, if your garage door happens to have a backup battery, that's what the beep is. It actually took me a little while to actually figure out it was my garage door beeping, because I had my truck in the garage and I thought it was something in my truck beeping, but then I pulled it out and then realized it's actually the garage door opener. You hear that beep? Well, that's what it is. This is a Chamberlain garage door opener. That's a belt drive. And what I'm gonna show you is how to replace the battery, and it'll be consistent as far as Chamberlain, and I believe Liftmaster is also the same type of setup. And I'll show you a picture of a different variety of garage door opener that you might have, and it'll be the same type of process to change out the battery. So this garage door opener in particular, you will need to have the garage door actually closed in order to access the battery compartment, which is on this side of the unit, whereas other styles of garage door openers where they have a light on each side in this direction, you would just pull down the cover of the light to access the battery compartment. The access door on the other side of the opener, that way you can tell if it is indeed the battery that's bad, and if you can see the red light right there, that's an indication that the battery is bad. So the battery compartment is on the other side of this garage door opener, so I'll show you that next. And this is the replacement battery that I got for this unit. This is an off-brand from the Chamberlain brand. So I decided to pick this up because it did have good reviews, as well as it was like $8 cheaper at a minimum, which I will have links in the description below. That'll be both to Amazon and Home Depot. That would be to the name brand Chamberlain, as well as this off-brand battery, in case you want to go with the cheaper option like I am. So here's what the garage door opener looks like with the lights on, in case yours is similar. I'm going to turn it off for this video, so it'll be easier lighting then, so I can show you exactly what to do. All right, so this is the front side of the garage door opener that has a camera in it, and this is the compartment right here where the battery is located. Just pull it open, and here's the battery compartment right here. All right, so once you have the battery compartment open, basically just pull the battery right out. It'll have the two connections. The red is the positive, the black is the negative. Just simply pull it right off. Just simply pull it off like that. Now it's disconnected. And now the garage door opener will stop beeping, as you'll notice. Now back to the other side real quick to show you where that red light was. It's now off, so it does not sense a battery is installed. So that's what the problem actually was. All right, so I have both batteries lined up next to each other just to show you that they are indeed the same size and have the same connections as well. You will have to remove these plastic covers on each terminal, and you can see that they are the same size then. So it's your option if you want to go with the cheaper route or with the Chamberlain name brand. All right, so now it's ready to be connected. So obviously just hook up the black wire to the black lead right here. Make sure it's on there nice and secure like it is. All right, they're both connected now. All right, so you just want to make sure you got the wires like not resting underneath the battery while you go to put it back in. And it just slides back in place like that. And then close the cover, and then it's ready to go. All right, now I'm back to the other side. I wanted to show you that the light that was once solid red is now blinking green. Indeed, that's what the problem was for this beep on the garage door opener. Now that there is constant power to the garage door opener, it should be charging up the battery. That way it'll be ready for standby when the power's out and you can still use your garage door. Just simply close the cover like that and it's good to go. All right, that's all there is to it, to replacing the backup battery for the Chamberlain garage door opener. And as I mentioned, it will be the same process for the other style openers out there, and it would just be a different cover that's normally by the light bulbs. So you just have to pull the covers down and they'll stay in place. So if you did get any value from this video, if it helped answer the question of why is my garage door beeping, let me know down in the comments below that it helped you. I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more DIY tips, tricks, and tool deal videos, and I'll see you in the next one.